I'm Nikki here at Sacksteder's Interiors, and people ask me all the time, how do you come up with ideas? How do you make arrangements? Well, I'm going to show you today. I'm going to make a succulent arrangement, and I've used some different components. I love these new dried stems. I have some beautiful succulents here, a little lighter in color. I'm going to use some fun sticks in this, some balls. I think these are attractive, and a mix of other succulents as well. So you just watch and I'll show you how it's done. And there we go. There's a nice succulent arrangement. It has interest, sticks, pods, different things. You can purchase any of these items at Sacksteder's Interiors, or you can stop in and I can make something up for you as well.